Hello everyone. Thank you for placing your trust in Axiom Education and Immigration to guide you on your Canada immigration journey. In this video, we'll walk you through how Axiom can help you apply for the Atlantic Immigration Program, making your journey smoother, faster, and stress-free. If you're planning to settle in Canada, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Since 2003, Axiom has been your trusted partner in international education and immigration. The best part? We are partnered with a licensed Canadian immigration lawyer who will personally handle your documentation and legal process. That means expert guidance every step of the way. What is the Atlantic Immigration Program? The AIP, or the Atlantic Immigration Program, is a fast-track pathway to Canada permanent residency for skilled workers and international graduates who wish to settle in New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, or Newfoundland and Labrador. These provinces are known for their natural beauty, friendly communities, and growing job opportunities. The AIP program is open to both fresh graduates and expert professionals. Basic eligibility includes no age restriction, minimum bachelor's degree or equivalent, minimum IELTS band of 5, at least 1 year of work experience in any job sector. If you meet these requirements, you are already on the right path. The step-by-step application process. First step, get your documentation ready. Prepare the following: updated CV, academic certificates, passport information page, passport size photo, proof of work experience, or job appointment letter. Our Axiom's expert counselor will assist you in organizing and verifying your documents. Step 2. Get a job offer. You will need a job offer from a designated employer in Atlantic Canada. Our Canadian team will tailor your CV and cover letter, apply on your behalf, and connect with the approved employers. Step 3 will be attend your job interview. Our team arranges multiple job interviews. We will train you on how to handle interviews, share actual facts and formats, guide you until you land a job offer that meets AIP standard. Step 4. Get provincial endorsement. After you secure the job offer, your Axiom lawyer will apply for the provincial endorsement certificate on your behalf. Ensure all legal documentation is completed properly. Step 5. Submit your PR application. Once you're endorsed, submit your PR application to IRCEC. You will need IM 0156 form, EC report, an IELTS score, the job offer letter, work experience proof, referral letter from province, marriage certificate, police clearance certificate, medical exam report, dependent details, and proof of fund. Step 6. Apply for visa. After PR approval, you'll receive a PR confirmation letter. Book your biometric appointment at VFS. Submit your passport and visa application. Step 7. Move to Atlantic Canada. Once you receive your passport with the visa, book your flight, land in Atlantic Canada, and begin your life with the help of free government services.